Wayne Thiebaud was born on November 15, 1920 in Arizona. He is 99 years old. He is an American painter best known for his simple yet detailed paintings depicting food in diners and cafeterias. Some of his best known paintings are of pies, cakes, ice cream, and candy machines. Alrighty guys, so this is the Gumball machine that we are going to be drawing today. Now if you don't have the materials or supplies that I have, that is okay. We're going to start using a small bowl to trace on our paper, and we're tracing on the upper part of our paper. That way we leave enough space for the bottom of our Gumball machine. Next, I'm going to start sketching a small circle floating above my bigger circle. I'm going to be using my sketchy lines until I like the shape of the circle I have. Then I'm going to lightly sketch a curved line going down, starting from the midpoint of my small circle down to the top of my bigger circle. I'm going to try my best to make sure that these lines look even on both sides. Next, at the bottom of our Gumball machine, we're going to draw two diagonal lines going down. I'm going to draw these lines as straight as I can. If you need to use a ruler to help you, that's fine. Then I'm going to draw a curved line at the bottom connecting my two diagonal lines together. This is almost going to be like a soft smile line. Then I'm going to draw a second curved line right above it. Now it's time to draw the slot where the gumball would come out of the machine. I'm going to start by drawing a little arch with my line going up and curving around. It's almost like a little doorway. Now for the part where the quarter goes. I'm going to start by drawing a line on the left side. I'm going to draw a curved line in the middle, like the letter U, and then a line on the other side. Next, I'm going to draw a line going down on either side, and then I'm going to draw a curved line, almost like our smile line at the bottom, connecting those two straight lines together. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw my 25 cents on the front of that little slot. Now comes time to draw our gumballs. This is probably going to be the most time-consuming part of our drawing. Try to make sure that your gumballs are all the same size. I'm starting in the middle and I'm working out. I'm making sure that all of my gumballs touch together. When I get to the outer edge, I'm going to make sure I show a little bit of the gumball peeking out. This is going to show dimension in my picture. Dimension is when one thing sits in front of another. Now it's time to outline our picture. I'm using a black Sharpie marker, but any old black marker will work. We're outlining our pencil lines, that way they can stand out from the rest of our picture. I felt like this part needed a little extra detail, so we're going to go ahead and draw two lines in that little space. Now that all of our pencil lines are traced, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color in the little slot where the gumball comes out of the machine. Once I'm finished with that, I'm going to use an eraser to erase the pencil lines that I don't want to show. Now it's time to add some color. I'm going to be doing what I like to call expert coloring. This is where I put my marker on the paper and I try my hardest not to lift it up unless I absolutely have to. I'm going to only color in one direction and I'm going to fill in all of the white spaces. I am not going to scribble whatsoever. This kind of expert coloring is going to take some time, so be patient with yourself. Also, make sure the marker doesn't stay in one place too long, otherwise the marker will start to bleed through your paper. The reason why I chose red to color my gumball machine was so that it looked like Wayne Thiebaud's, but if you would like to color your gumball machine another color, that's totally fine by me. I would just make sure the top and the bottom of your machine matches. Now it's time to color our gumballs. I'm starting with one color. I'm going to color all of the purple gumballs I want to have in my machine, leaving some spaces in between for other colors. If you have a different coloring groove that you find, that's fine by me. I just prefer to color one color and then use other colors. That way I don't have to pick up the same markers and restart. Next, we're going to color the slot where our quarter is going to go. I chose yellow because it's a bright contrasting color to red. Make sure that you pick a color that's not going to blend right in. We're going to keep using our expert coloring technique to color the rest of our picture. And now we've finished our Wayne Thiebaud gumball machines. I hope you guys had fun!